Welcome to another episode of the Shop Walk here at Iconic Motorbikes. It is Friday, January 17th. We just want to do a little detour for a second. We have 75 strike teams from Oregon, 300 firefighters that came down to help with the insanity that's happening right now. So a big thank you to them. They've been incredible. Actually, just today, it's kind of cool. They borrowed some tools from Daniel, our shop manager, to work. Some of the folks that are from Coos Bay borrowed tools from Daniel to fix the king nipple, which normally I would make a joke about, but today is more of a serious day when it comes to all that stuff. A lot of volunteers, a lot of people just helping how they can. It's really incredible, and we cannot thank them enough. They've been here working 24-hour on, 24-hour off schedules, and so it's been great for we just, food, snacks, drinks, whatever. We can offer our shower here, and other people at the airport have been helping us with that as well. So thank you to everyone that's been making that happen. We really do appreciate it. Another thing I do want to take a moment to discuss is, oh, sorry, someone's calling me. I apologize for that. One thing I want to discuss, Lalo, one of our service managers here, unfortunately lost his home. And so we'll put a link in the description, I guess, for the video. They're doing a GoFundMe to help him out. I can't even pretend to understand what it's like to lose your home. We all love Lalo here. If he's helped you out as a client, or if you just want to help him out, please, take a look. It's all very much appreciated. So I apologize for the long detour there, but those things were important for me to mention. Let's talk about some bikes, right? So we got this MV Agusta F4 here, 2000 model, one of the early 750 models. And this one just has 4 kilometers on it. It's actually an import. I believe it came from Japan. We did not sell, we did sell this one originally. Or not originally, I should say. This one, our friend Nick over at Classic Avenue had it up on his site and then asked us to sell it. And so we put it up on our auction site and we found a new home for it. Daniel and everyone that's running the service shop here we're doing some work to it, and then we will get it off to its new home. But it's just a really cool, it's an imported 750, and of course you gotta love it's a gorgeous bike. You got the single-sided swing arm. There's lots of cool stuff about it, but we're just making sure it's a runner that's ready to go, which is cool. In the last shop walk we did, we talked about Roland's Desmo Sedici that got sold. I believe we talked about this KR250, and we're going to talk to Steve, the professor. What's up, buddy?
Oh, I was just felt my neck.
Just making sure. Still that's right. You got a mic on you, yeah. So Steve's got this really cool Honda XL600R. I'm going to sneak around. I want to sneak behind you, sir. Thank you. This one's only got about 3,000 miles on it. It's in incredible shape considering.
Yeah, I'll get out normally, you can get in there too.
Normally when you see one of these, you've got all kinds of scrap, like you have your off-road boots and they scuff all this up. This all gets torn up, but it looks pretty clean, and the seats get torn up when you're riding them off-road a lot. Really the only problem, there's some minor cosmetic stuff, but this probably would, it's like smudging as I touch. Oh, it's going away as I touch it.
Yeah.
So that'll clean up easy. Just, really, the only thing is
this dried out, and
the fork gators.
He's got a new one he brought in, so I'm going to pop a new gator on there, change rotors.
There you go.
Checklist on it for him.
Yeah, this is going to clean up real nice. He is deciding, the owner of this is in New Jersey. He is deciding if he is going to have us ship it back to him and then enjoy it, or he might just sell it on our auction site. And either way, it'll be cool. But I haven't seen a finish like this in this condition
for a while.
In years.
Yeah.
You got the magnet. I don't know. Normally they're all beat up.
The skid plate's not smashed.
Right? Exactly.
How does that not happen? Got it.
Normally these things just get beat up, and that's how they should be. They get ridden, they get enjoyed, but it's just
they should be like this.
They should be. Yeah, especially if you're the guy that's working on them, you want them to look like this.
Yes, I do.
This is an incredible example of an XL600R.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. You're getting okay. We talked about, so one flaw is the gator, and that's fine. That's an easy fix.
Yep.
But also this is common. I used to own a NX650, the Dominator,
yeah.
the next generation, but a little more street oriented. But yeah, like this kind of pitting on the forks is even low mileage, that kind of thing. It's pretty common.
This one's not too bad, really.
Oh yeah. Steve's side is better.
Yeah.
But it's just a cool bike. So there you go. Thank you, sir. Can I steal that mic from you? Poor favor. Thank you. All right, we're gonna keep walking this way. Oh wait, where did Yanni go? Oh, all right, he's over. All right, he found a way to avoid this one. Good for him. He's talking to the service manager. He says, no worries. So, okay, we talked about this one in the last episode. This Kawasaki Z650, the Ninja 650, the parallel twin. Looks like he's pretty much completed that. We'll do a video on that later separately on our social media. This is the ZX-10 from our buddy Brian at Alpine Stars. So the last time we shared this on a shop walk, it didn't have the bodywork on it. So Yanni's definitely making progress on this, and hopefully we'll be able to share this with you guys in a little bit. But a lot of work had to go into this one. So thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
As we make our way this way, I want to talk a little bit more about some bikes. So we'll take a quick detour here. Our transport manager, Corey, this is his bike. It's half a bike. It's actually, no, it's more like a third of a bike. This is a BMW R nineT, and unfortunately, when the main seal goes, well, then you got to take apart. I mean, you can see what you have to do. So this is, it's pretty crazy actually what's going on here. But yeah, you know, it's a dry clutch. It's like an automotive style clutch, which is great when nothing goes wrong. Then it just lasts a long time. I had a BMW K75 and a BMW R1150 GS. The R1150 GS had a similar style clutch as this, and I put, I don't know, 90-something thousand miles on it without a concern. But when you do need to do the clutch, then the whole thing has to get scorpioned and, you know, blah, blah, blah. So life could be better, life could be worse. We'll get that sorted. Over here, what else we got? I'm trying to think. I want to end over here. We got a few bikes. That's okay. We'll talk about those things later. Riff is behind the camera, so I feel like we should just mention this over here. What is this, buddy? Oh, wait. Here you go. You got to clip yourself into the mic and tell people what you're doing with this.
Yeah, so this is the ST2 I bought probably a few weeks ago at this point. It's in a little bit of a weird state at the moment, but we're just getting we need to redo the fork seals, which is happening right now. We did a bunch of other stuff, fluid flushes, all that good stuff. We're gonna have to see how the rear shock goes, because that seems like it might be a little bit blown.
Okay.
But everything else is looking good. It's a great bike. I can't wait to actually get on and ride it, but I need to get those forks done, and hopefully I'll be on the road soon, because I really want to ride this thing. So
this is cool. What are you currently riding right now?
I'm currently riding a Honda Shadow.
Okay.
So 2007 Honda Shadow, which is a little bit different than this.
Yeah.
So this is definitely a step up for me in terms of performance and all that stuff. I haven't had a Ducati before, so this is my first one, and we'll see how it goes.
Oh, I'm excited for you. All right, pop quiz. What does ST stand for?
Sport Touring. Well, Sport Turismo.
Turismo, if you're Italian. There you go.
Yep.
Good man. Italian. So we're all excited for Riff for his new bike here, and it's gonna take a little bit of work, but welcome to owning Italian bikes. Speaking of which, we got two interesting Italian bikes here. We're gonna do a separate video on this. We're gonna do a dedicated video on YouTube which explains the difference here. This is the first generation of the Bimota Tesi 3D. The Concept America. They made 29 of these. They made 45 of these. This is the Bimota Tesi 3D Final Edition. This is my daily commuter. We've shown it on other YouTube videos and all kinds of social videos or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna do a dedicated video that just illustrates the differences between the generations. So one of the quick things you might be able to see, low aggressive clip-ons on the original, the Concept America versus, and one of the reasons I bought this is because it's got bars and they're higher and they're more comfortable and that kind of thing. the suspension's different, the exhaust is different. There's all kinds of things. So like I said, we'll do a separate video on this, just explaining the difference between these, but I just want to give you a little preview of that. So I think it's probably a good time to wrap things up here. Again, I just want to go back to how this video started. Thank you so much to the firefighters from Oregon that have come down to help us out with the insanity that's happening here. So thank you so much. And if anyone just has it in their heart to help Wallow out a little bit, that's of course greatly appreciated. Thank you to all of you that watch us and support us. We really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.